Ladies and gentlemen, Toyota back into the MR2 project. The MR2 is here and we have to work on this gas tank and finish it up. Here's the correct fuel pump strainer, part number BFS0088. And I already put it on there. We're gonna finish it up by putting the retainer as we did with the other one, and then we're gonna go in the tank. So let us put the retainer, finish it up, and plug it up. All right, we got the fuel strainer put together on the fuel pump, and we're gonna go put the grommet on. Now, talking about this grommet, I don't know about you guys, but that looks like a, doesn't it look like a Pac-Man? This a black Pac-Man right here. I'm gonna draw an eye on this sucker and see if it looks like a real Pac-Man. Here's a Pac-Man. So let's call this guy right here Pac-Man. This Pac-Man goes right here. I'm gonna show you where this Pac-Man goes. It goes right here, like so. It goes this way. It goes this way. Right in here, like put it in like that, and then you press on this pump bracket part right here, and it goes in like that. I'm gonna take some measures on this. Oh man! And we're gonna go ahead and put one of these guys right here, just to make sure this doesn't do a whole lot of vibration or comes off from the bottom, because I seen these come apart here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a tie strap around it. Put the tie strap right here, and we're gonna take it. We're all set. We're gonna go in the tank right now, and we're gonna see if this works. On it like that. Let's see. Gotta play with this a little bit here. Like so. Like so. Like so. There we go. Take your hand out. Can't leave your hand in there. All right, let's see. This goes right here. Let's see. Let's find a spot. All right. All right, so we got one. Let me see how many guys we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 guys. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we got 5 guys. Let's put those 5 guys in there. All right, so take 8mm and sap this bad boys up. All right. Do not forget this piece right here. This bracket is holding this other pipe right here that comes through. So you got to put that. That guy has to be on top of this bracket. This is just another breather. Now we come over here and we're gonna attach this is pipe assembly to the tank, and this 10mm goes right here. And it attaches to the back of this. We got some rain going on, guys. I don't know if you guys can hear that rain. Some beautiful rain. All right, we'll put that guy, and we're gonna sap that guy up. It's gonna be a 10mm. We're gonna sap that guy up. All right. So with this last bolt right here, everything else is where it needs to be. I'm thinking of cleaning this up a little bit, since it's already been mutilated by the previous attempt. Whoever tried to take this tank out, obviously the fuel pump had been replaced before this time. Everything is on where it needs to go. There's the fuel pump. Here is the fuel sending unit. And that's the other breather, and that's it. There goes that. Tomorrow's another day, and tomorrow we will start putting this tank back on the MR2. All right, guys. Well, have a good night. Thank you for watching. And Toyota says good night.
Peace out.